Hi, my name's Tony and today we're going to be fitting the Optima S. This is the smaller version of the 49, so it will fit a more compact system. This is how we fit the cradle. This cradle is for many flush valves. It's just a case of inserting it in the base of the cistern and doing that in that. I'm doing it hand tight, but you might want to nip it up with a spanner. Right, so the first thing I'll just show you is how to adjust the height. Just remove the rod, clip from that hole there. And there's two clips, one either side, which allows you to move up and down and get wherever you want. Then once you've got it in the right position, obviously re-clip. And obviously we've put our universal cradle in. This is the 2-inch, as I stated earlier. We've got the 1.5 inch, and this will just clip straight in like that. Just to show it's universal, in case you don't believe us. That one comes like that. The new one goes straight in like that.